Now, I love stories. I really love stories. How many of you have realized right now? People, do you look at the time? The time is 1:20 p.m. हमको 3 घंटा 20 मिनट हो गया सेशन करते हुए. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव रियलाइज हम बहुत कुछ सीख चुके हैं 3 घंटा 20 मिनट में, एंड वी डिड नॉट इवन रियलाइज दैट हमारा 3 घंटे से ज्यादा टाइम ऑलरेडी निकल चुका है. ऑलमोस्ट 200 minutes have already passed. That is the best part over here, right? And that is what I say to people, that we don't even realize. And that's exactly what you got to do. Create content in such a manner that you provide people with so much of value, so much of information, and people will not even realize that so much time has passed. And that is the power of effective public speaking. And that is the power of getting connected with people. Definitely, we have made our time more valuable. We have made our time even more powerful. And that's why it is very important. In the exams, it is so hard to cross 3 hours. Exam ले लो, college studies ले लो, किसी भी चीज में ले लो, तो इतना ज्यादा वो होता है कि time pass ही नहीं होता. But here the time just passes. You know why? The only reason why that happens is because you realize that you got to be engaged in the session, and you need to be giving a lot of value to people so that everybody is connected, associated, engaged, engrossed, and is learning so much more. Got it? Good. Now, do you agree that 70% of your task is being done by stories only? If you want to motivate people, if you want to inspire people, if you want them to buy something or the other, if you want them to make a calculated decision, if you want them to take some particular activity for yourself, then what you need to do is, what you got to do right now is, you 70% of task is done only because of your story that you have included in your public speaking talk or your video or your narration. Is that right, everyone? Vani says, I have some urgent office work, but not willing to leave your session. I will do that later on. Thank you. Thank you so much. जितना 3 साल में नहीं सीखा वो 3 hours में सीख गए. अभी तो बस शुरुआत है मेरे दोस्त, अभी तो बस शुरुआत है. Right? So 70% of your task, what you want actually people to do, is being done only because of your stories, because stories help you connect so much more with the audience. Very true. Information tells, stories sell. Even the content, it just tells. The stories is what actually sells. And that's exactly what we need to understand. That is what is powerful. Now, stories help you connect with the audience. Am I right? Stories help you connect with the audience. People realize that now I am able to connect with the other person. A few things that you need to realize whenever you are narrating a story is, visuals create karo. You need to create those kind of a visuals. आपको visuals बनाने बहुत important है लोगों के mind में. Imagine this. And then you are talking. You remember I made that visual? Some of you were there. I'll do it one more time. Imagine each one of you. Today, you are here to learn. You are here to become an impeccable speaker, to become a mind-blowing communicator. Imagine, sometime later, you would be there, standing on the stage. Maybe you would be one of the speakers. You would get a slot in the biggest transformational event of India, that is EBW2. Maybe you would be there. Imagine how powerful it would be. Imagine how wonderful it would be. Imagine how an experience of a lifetime would be given to you when you would be there on the stage. Just close your eyes, people, and try being in that zone when your name is announced and there is pitch darkness in the entire stadium. And then you start walking and we can hear you walking. And then there's a flashlight exactly upon you. Whenever you are walking, the spotlight walks along with you. You are the only thing that is visible in that entire stadium. And you walk to the middle of that stage. And then gradually, the lights come up, very gradually. And along with the same thing, people start clapping for you vigorously. Everybody is clapping for you. You can slowly start seeing the audience. First, the people sitting in the front, then in the middle, then at the back, then at the complete back, complete last seat. And then you can see everybody clapping for you, everybody appreciating you, everybody shouting your name. Just imagine the kind of feeling that it would be. It would be much, much more amazing than probably anything that you have ever experienced in your entire life. Just imagine being in that state And then you would realize that all the efforts that I'm putting today, all the work that I'm putting in today, all the energy that I'm getting today, all the information that I'm getting today, all the toil, all the hard work is actually going to work for you, because you got to be there and you got to create that opportunity for you. This is what you need to understand. And that's what matters so much. Do you agree? That's the power. And that is exactly how you will be able to get the results and create even more opportunities for you. Yes. I want you to do that, man. I want you to create that kind of an impact. How many of you just loved it? Loved it, right? This is what I say. Very important, right? You need to give your 100%. And when you create, felt like a celebrity, you got to do it, man. And you got to make that happen for you. That is what is the most appropriate, most amazing thing over here. All of us can make that happen, right? So amazing. Absolutely. One person has asked me, will we get an offer for communication mastery course at the end of this webinar? You never know. You never know. Right? How many of you want me to get something for you? Get some offer for you for communication mastery? Tell me. You want me to do that? I will think about it. Okay. Now that you say, I will think about it. But right now, let's focus on the learning. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. So please understand that when you create that kind of a connect, then you will be able to resonate with the audience, and therefore you would be able to make the most for yourself. That's the power. Go make it for yourself. Next thing is this. If you are trying to sell something to people, then what you got to need to understand is that you need to be connected with people. People like to work with people. People like to work with people who are always growing and who are creating more chances for them. And if your personal story are able to relate with them, then you would realize that this is so amazing and this is working for me even now. And that is the reason why personal stories connect. I say this to you. Do you remember what Sagar was saying when he was the first speaker of the day? Sagar said that, Rahul sir, I was able to relate with your story. Now, I don't know how many people have related with my story, how many people have learned from my story, how many people will relate with my story even in the future. And you know why that happens? Because that personal story has been lived by a lot of other people. That personal story has benefited a lot of other people. And that is how it is going to help you and also create more chances and opportunities for you. This is what I say to people again and again and on a repeated basis. Create more chances for you, create more opportunities for you, and include even more stories. So the visualization is important, the personalization is important. Telling people how you have got those results for you is so very important. And therefore, you would be able to connect even more with the audience, and you would also be able to sell. One more amazing part with stories is that the impact is long lasting. And since the impact is long lasting, you would realize that people would be able to connect with it even for a long, long time. This is what I say to people all the time. Please ensure that you are narrating your story in such a manner that people are connected, people are engrossed, people are always involved in your session. Always do it. Got that? Good. Next, now let's talk about voice modulation. First of all, people, you tell me, how important a role does voice modulation play? Why is voice modulation very important? Okay, who wants to speak upon this? Why is voice modulation very important? Tell me. Okay, so we will have Shubham Sharma. Shubham, I have allowed you to speak. Please unmute yourself quickly. Shubham, please unmute yourself. You've got 3 more seconds. Unmute yourself. 1, 2. All right, so let's give the chance to someone else. Maybe some issues at Shubham's end. Someone who I have never ever heard speak earlier. Okay, so we will give the chance to Neeraj Kumar. Okay, Neeraj has not spoken earlier, ever. Neeraj, I have allowed you to speak. Please unmute yourself. Yes, Neeraj, how are you?
Sir, I'm really great, sir. Like I'm feeling blessed to be the part of this 16 of workshops, sir. Really amazing, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Like मैंने आपका like उस दिन शाम को वेबिनार देखा था, आपने जो इंट्रोड्यूस करा था, the things that you are giving and like when you asked about the value, जो प्राइस होना चाहिए and like होता है like कि पैरों जले तले से जमीन निकल जाए, सर वो चीज हुई थी कि like seriously मैन को इतना कुछ और unbelievable, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy, brothers, that you are learning, and that the best part over here is that you are here, and that is what matters the most. बिकॉज जब तक आप किसी चीज में अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं लेते हो तब तक तो आप उसका कोई भी रिजल्ट नहीं बना सकते हो ना, कभी भी रिजल्ट नहीं क्रिएट कर सकते हो ना अपने लिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ऑलराइट, सो प्लीज टेल लेट अस नो व्हाई इज वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन इंपॉर्टेंट, द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन.
So voice modulation is first of all important. Like what I have feel like in my experience of 2 to 3 years in school timing, public speaking. So like it's easy to connect with the people, like in a low voice, in a high pitch, like to grab the attention. Like we say to just to make the pitch high. जैसे एकदम जैसे अभी like recently जिन्होंने बोला था रावत जो थे रावत जी थे, तो what he said कि if you want to do this, say yes. That yes, that voice modulation is very important to grab the attention.
Right.
And like कभी कभार जैसे हमने देखा है कि this voice modulation helps a lot to the artist people, especially like जैसे like comedy shows होते हैं. So like one person, he is doing the role of multiple people like through his voice modulation. Like he is also making a lady, a girl. So उससे क्या होता है, like it's very easy to connect with the people of different ages, with different cultures.
Right.
So it really helps to connect with overall audience that is being present there. So like what I feel.
Very true. And see, even not just for them, even for us, when you are telling about something motivational, then you will get your energy up. When you're telling about something that you feel sad about, you will get your energy down. And because of all these things, you would then realize that you are able to create a more significant impact, and you are able to get the people to be on your side. So just like I have written over here, because of voice modulation, you are able to differentiate with the message that is being conveyed and the information that you are providing to people. Do you agree? That's so very important.
Yes, sir.
Along with that,
Yes,
because of your voice modulation, you are also able to motivate people, inspire people. And just like I told in the form of stories also, it is long lasting. People will remember the voice modulation that you did for a long, long time. And we have already told you a lot of exercises that you need to do for voice modulation. Number one, you can go in a room that is comparatively small, and there you can talk in a loud voice as well as a powerful, deep voice. Yes, I would be able to do it. Oh, yes, I would be able to pull it off. So you have to do these things. The second thing that you got to do is take different sentences, and then when you're talking about different sentences, speak in the voice of different individuals. For example, you have taken 5 sentences. I am very powerful. I want to get to the next level. Then you will be speaking in the voice of somebody like, let's say, Mother Teresa, who speaks in a soft tone. And you will be talking in the voice of somebody like Sunny Deol, who speaks in a high tone. And that is exactly what you got to do. Because when you would do it, you would then realize that you are able to modulate your voice. And that's exactly what you got to do. Somebody has also asked me that should voice modulation be done in normal talks also? Of course, you should also do in normal talks, so that you are able to connect with people and you are able to modulate your voice, so that you are able to attract more people. And also, see, if I'm doing a session, and that to such a long session, if I don't modulate my voice, nobody is going to be here. Do you agree? That is, that is so very important. Nobody,
yes, sir.
and that is the reason why voice modulation is important. So, Neeraj, where do you live?
Sir, I am from Punjab. My hometown is Bhakta. It's near Bathinda. You must have heard the city Bathinda.
Right.
So I am from Punjab. Currently studying in Delhi University, Delhi.
Okay. So which course are you pursuing?
Sir, I am into BCom honors. I'm
All
into
right.
my finals. Yes, sir.
And you are in your 3rd year.
Yes, sir.
Good, man. Good. Happy to have you here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's being my pleasure. It's like a blessing to attending your workshop, sir.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you. Keep up the good work.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. So we understood why is voice modulation important. We understood that we have to do exercises. People, by the way, I want to ask you this. How many of you have done these voice modulation exercises earlier? Have you done these voice modulation exercises? Yes. I have done it with my friends. I have done it. I have done it. I have done it. I've done it. I've done it. Wow, I'm so happy. So many of you have done those exercises, and I'm so happy that आपने वो exercises करी हैं. आप उन exercises की वजह से grow कर रहे हैं, and आप उन exercises को implement भी कर रहे हैं. Now I did it. Okay. So many people told me, Rahul, how are you able to modulate your voice? How are you able to create that kind of an impact? What I do is, what's very important is, I am always speaking, right? And then when you modulate your voice, you get that opportunity because the people get that deep connect within them. That's why the voice modulation is so very important. I have practiced talking, and then when I was a part of that MTV show, also at that particular time, also I was staying with an actor. He was my room partner, so we practiced there also. So ये सब चीजों की वजह से आप regularly अपना voice modulation कर ले जाते हैं. And उसकी वजह से impact बहुत ज़्यादा बनाते हैं. Very true. I heard for the first time when can you please share the voice modulation exercise? No problem. I'll do it one more time. So for example, you can take an amazing sentence. You can take a particular sentence. For example, the sentence for me is Rahul is absolutely awesome. For you, the sentence would be Rajan is absolutely awesome. Nitisha is absolutely awesome. Anubha is absolutely awesome. Prem is absolutely awesome. Chaitanya is absolutely awesome. Aditya is absolutely awesome. Shesha is absolutely awesome. Duti is absolutely awesome. Ashok is absolutely awesome. Mukhtar is absolutely awesome. Rajneesh is absolutely awesome. Guru is absolutely awesome. Afreen is absolutely awesome. Sagar is absolutely awesome. One more Rahul. Muskan is absolutely awesome. I am extremely awesome. Abhijit is absolutely awesome. So you have taken Roshan is absolutely awesome, right? So you have chosen this. That okay, I am absolutely awesome. Now what you got to do is speak in for that particular sentence and speak that particular sentence in the voice of different individuals, right? So you speak in the voice of somebody like Sunny Deol. How does Sunny Deol speak? Sunny Deol speaks in a Rahul is absolutely awesome. Yes, Sangeeta, you are also absolutely awesome. Then you would say Sangeeta is absolutely awesome. If Mother Teresa says that, and if I say it, I would be like Rahul is absolutely awesome. So you practice it, and when then you practice it again and again, you would realize that you are able to modulate your voice and you are able to get that impact going. Let me tell you, if you're not modulating your voice, it would be very difficult for you to connect with people. Okay, now let me ask you this. Tell me the name of any one actor or a speaker whom you follow, public figure, who does amazing voice modulation. Tell me, if you have noticed it. Somebody says Amitabh Bachchan, Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins, but predominantly he speaks. But yeah, many a times he also speaks in a soft tone. Well, thank you so much for taking my name. So many people have done that. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Lots of love to all the people who took my name. Abhi मैं और किसी का नाम नहीं रहा हूँ यहाँ. So now you have noticed, right, that so many people, and if you see that when you are able to modulate the voice, you are able to connect with the audience. Do you get that? That is so very important. And इसी की वजह से आपके पास results and opportunities खुद ब खुद आते हैं. You got to do that. Extremely important, right? Good. Next. Differentiation happens. Motivation happens. You're able to inspire people. It is long lasting. And at the same time, you differentiate from others because of your voice modulation. All right, got it? Okay, time for some humor now. Let me have a humorous activity. जो हमने पहले करा था. Who wants to speak? Okay, Nitisha. Nitisha wants to speak. Nitisha बहुत समय से बोल रही हैं. Let us give the chance to Nitisha.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Nitisha. कैसे हो आप? How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am good. So, Nitisha, what do you do?
I'm a student 11th standard.
Oh, you are in school. Nice. So, what subjects do you like and what subjects do you hate? Don't hate any subject. अगर hate करते भी हो तो भी पढ़ लेना पक्का.
हाँ sir.
So, आपके favorite subjects कौन से हैं?
Very favorite तो मेरा maths है. और फिर अगर हेट की बात की जाए तो फिर मेरे को मतलब ज्यादा पढ़ने में कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
क्यों पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है आपको ज्यादा?
बस ऐसे ही.
पर देखो पढ़ाई करना तो अभी इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि पता है क्या होता है, जैसे मैं भी कोई काम करता हूँ ना, तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जिसमें मेरे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग दैट. आई डोंट फील लाइक, बट आई स्टिल डू इट. यू नो व्हाई आई डू इट? बिकॉज आई नो दैट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर माई ग्रोथ. I know that it is important for me to get ahead in life. It is important for me to create more opportunities for me. So even if I don't enjoy the process, I still do it. आपको भी ऐसा ही करना चाहिए.
यस सर, वैसे तो मैं करती हूँ सर, बड़ी ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
And where do you live? कहाँ पे रहते हैं आप?
नागपुर, महाराष्ट्र.
Okay, so you live in Nagpur. Okay. So now what you got to do is, because आप नागपुर से हैं, हम आपको एक टॉपिक दे रहे हैं. वी आर गिविंग यू अ टॉपिक एंड द टॉपिक फॉर यू इज ऑरेंजेस वर्सेस एप्पल. ओके, ऑरेंजेस वर्सेस एप्पल. अब आपको इसको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना है. तो और आपको जब आप ऑरेंजेस के बारे में बोलोगे तो आपको ऑरेंजेस के बारे में खूबी बतानी है, ऑरेंजेस के बारे में अच्छी अच्छी बातें बतानी है. एंड देन व्हेन यू विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द एप्पल, देन यू विल हैव टू टेल अबाउट द अमेजिंग थिंग्स पर्टेनिंग टू एप्पल. एंड जब मैं आपको स्विच करने को बोलूंगा, ऐसे स्विच, तब आपको एकदम से चेंज करना होगा. फिर रेडी?
ओके सर. हाँ, यस.
आ गया आपको?
ऑरेंजेस.
ओके, गो अहेड.
वेल, ऑरेंजेस और हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ क्या सर?
जी, बोलो बोलो.
ओके. देखो, ऑरेंजेस और संतरे में पता है कि एक्चुअली मेरे को तो कुछ फर्क समझता नहीं है. और
नहीं है. आपका टॉपिक है ऑरेंजेस वर्सेस एप्पल.
ओ
या
मेरे को तो दोनों भी पसंद है, ऑरेंजेस भी पसंद है और फिर एप्पल भी पसंद है. ऑरेंजेस नागपुर में बहुत ज्यादा फेमस है और फिर मम्मी तो हमेशा लाती ही रहती है घर पे. और फिर पता है क्या, अभी अभी मम्मी ने लाया था सबके लिए घर पे.
ओके, स्विच. टेल अस अबाउट एप्पल.
एप्पल्स तो वैसे हमारे घर में सभी खाते, सभी फ्रूट्स खाते, तो फिर ऑरेंजेस भी खाते और एप्पल्स भी खाते, पर मम्मी एप्पल्स कम लाती है. मतलब इट डिफरेंस फ्रॉम प्राइस कितनी होती है. और एप्पल्स खाने में भी बहुत टेस्टी होते हैं. फिर मेरे को तो एप्पल्स बहुत पसंद है.
स्विच.
ऑरेंजेस. ऑरेंजेस. मैं तो ऑरेंजेस कितना भी खा सकती हूँ. आप मेरे को बोल दो ना कि ऑरेंजेस खा के पेट भर दो, तो फिर मैं ऑरेंजेस खा के पेट भर सकती हूँ.
स्विच.
एप्पल्स भी तो मैं एप्पल्स भी मैं कितना भी खा सकती हूँ.
ओके, स्विच.
ऑरेंजेस. आप अगर इन केस अगर आप यू हैव टू विजिट नागपुर, यू शुड गो एंड ट्राई ऑरेंजेस.
स्विच.
एप्पल्स. एप्पल्स के बारे में तो मेरे को यही पता है कि कश्मीर में ज्यादा मिलते हैं. अगर इफ इन केस अगर मैं कश्मीर में जाऊंगी तो एप्पल जरूर खाऊंगी.
स्विच.
ऑरेंजेस. Oranges. Oh God.
All right. Good. I loved it. You did very, very well. And you're only in class 11th and you were able to talk in front of so many people. That is so nice, because it's very important that you take the opportunity and you grab the opportunity, and you said so many times that you want to speak, and I'm so happy that you did it. आपको अच्छा लगा बोल?
हाँ सर. एक्चुअली जस्ट मेरी जो बड़ी बहन है ना, उन्होंने एक तो कम्युनिकेशन मास्टर में भी इनरोल किया है और फिर और सेल्स मास्टर क्लास में भी.
ओके, क्या नाम है आपकी सिस्टर का?
पल्लवी मोरे.
ओके. सो आप पल्लवी की छोटी बहन है.
और एक्चुअली पता है कि हम लोग घर पे 3 लोग हैं ना, बड़ी मतलब दीदी, मैं और मेरा एक छोटा भाई, वो अभी 9th में है. तो मतलब हम लोग तीनों की तीनों भी बैठ के आपका सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं.
अरे वाह, आई एम सो हैप्पी टू हियर दैट.
और पता है
कुछ सीखने को मिला आज?
हाँ, आज तो बहुत सारे सीखा मैंने. बहुत. अगर आपके कभी भी संडे के वेबिनार्स होता है ना, तो फिर हम तीनों तो हमेशा अटेंड करते हैं.
थैंक यू. आई एम सो हैप्पी हियरिंग दैट.
आपके
वीडियोस बना के डालो आप.
यस सर. हाँ, आपकी टीम से नेहा दीदी है ना, उन्होंने मतलब सेल्स मास्टर क्लास के लिए उनसे ही हमने कांटेक्ट किया था.
ओके.
तो फिर उन्होंने बोला था कि आप भी डाल सकते हो वीडियोस.
हाँ, आप भी आपके वीडियोस बना के डालो. प्रेजेंट योर कंटेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. आप जितना जल्दी शुरू करोगे, आप उतना अच्छे से ग्रो करोगे.
यस सर, अभी पता है कि आपको कि मैंने तो अपने यूट्यूब चैनल शायद 2018 में ही बना लिया था,
वाओ,
पर उस पर डाला कुछ भी नहीं था, मतलब इनिशिएटिव तो लिया ही नहीं था। पर अभी मतलब एक आध महीना हो गया है तो मैंने अपना फर्स्ट वीडियो डाल दिया है।
वेरी गुड। अब आप ऐसे एक काम करो, आप एक रूटीन बना लो कि आप हर हफ्ते एक वीडियो डालो ही डालो।
हाँ सर।
ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
बाय बाय, थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Lots of love. You spoke so well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's focus on the session, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Yeah. आगे चलते हैं. This was nice. I will do more activities. Don't worry. Okay. Next. See this. See this. Online session hacks. How many of you have now realized since the COVID-19 started, जब से COVID-19 impact पड़ा है, हम लोगों को बहुत सारा content, बहुत सारा काम हमको online ही करना पड़ रहा है. Do you agree? Do you understand that all the work that we are doing is now being done online? And that is exactly why we need to work upon it, and why we also need to learn how we need to get our content online and how we need to conduct online sessions. In fact, almost everything has now shifted online, and it is our responsibility to learn how to do online sessions. So right now, what we are going to focus before we break for lunch is we are going to understand why it is very important for us कि हम लोग ऑनलाइन सेशंस में करें, एंड हाउ यू गॉट टू गेट द ऑनलाइन सेशन सो दैट पीपल आर इवन मोर कनेक्टेड विद योर सेशंस. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेट मी टेल यू. नंबर 1 इज द की. सेट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑन द बिगिनिंग, एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टॉक. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. आप जब भी कोई सेशन कर रहे हो ना, प्लीज एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टॉक लेट पीपल नो अबाउट what all things they are going to learn from this particular session, how they are going to be benefited from this particular session. Because then when that would be clear as to how they would be benefited by this particular session, automatically they would be able to get more chances and opportunities for them. समझ में आए आपको ये चीज? ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि होता क्या है ना, जब तक कि लोगों को नहीं पता होता कि उनको क्या फायदा होने वाला है, how they are going to be benefited by the session, till the time they are not aware about it, it will be very difficult that they will connect with you. Because अगर उनको पता ही नहीं है, why will they stay? Why will they be there at the end, till the end? Got it? So this is what I say to people all the time. You have to set the objective at the beginning. You have to tell people what is there for them. How many of you remember this? WITFM. WITFM. What is there for me? People need to understand what is there for me. They need to realize how I am going to be benefited by this, how I am going to learn from this. What is it that I'm going to learn from this particular session? Till the time they are not aware about it, why will they stay in the session? What will give them a lot of interest? Because see, many a times there would be certain moments wherein one particular audience will not like the content, wherein one particular person might not like what you are telling at one particular point of time. Maybe for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, they might not like the session. And if they are not aware about what next has to come their way, they might want to leave the session. You get it? They might want कि यार मेरे को सेशन अभी छोड़ देना चाहिए. But if they know as to how they are going to be benefited by it, how they are going to learn more, how they are going to get more information, then they would definitely want to be there, and then they would definitely want to be there in your session till the end. Got that? ये चीज बहुत important है. And this is why I say it to people all the time. Please tell people how they are going to be benefited by it at the beginning of the session. Extremely important. The second thing that you got to do is ask a lot of questions to people. Because when you would ask a lot of questions to people, you will keep them engaged. See, a physical event is very different from an online session. When you are doing an online session, WITFM means what is there for me? What is there for me? The audience needs to understand what is there for me. What am I going to learn from this particular session? ये चीज लोगों को पता होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Got that? Because जब वो क्लैरिटी आ जाती है, तब लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा आपके सेशन में इंटरेस्ट बढ़ जाता है. The next thing is ask people a lot of questions, because otherwise what's going to happen is people will lose the interest in your session. People will not want to attend your session, because होता क्या है यार, बहुत समय से वो आए हैं. अगर कोई फिजिकल इवेंट है तो उनको वहां पे बैठना भी पड़ेगा, बट उसके समय पे प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, अगर वो सेशन में नहीं बैठ पाते हैं रेगुलरली, कि फिजिकल इवेंट में तो बैठना ही पड़ता है, But if it's not a physical event, then people have got so many distractions when they are attending the session from their own house. Phone आ सकता है, message आ सकता है, WhatsApp आ सकता है, कोई भी चीज हो सकती है. So that is the reason why you need to have that top-notch energy and also need to be connected with the audience. So please ask a lot of questions. Keep them engaged, keep them involved, make them do individual activities, make them do certain things so that you can keep their attention with you. And once you are keeping the attention with you, then you would realize that this is going to be so very helpful and so very essential for you. Got it? Extremely important. एक चीज और जो आपको शुरू में करनी पड़ेगी लोगों को बोल के वो ये, tell them to keep their phone away. Tell them to keep their phone away so that they can be completely and totally dedicated to the session and they can totally be benefited by it. Because otherwise, again, what's going to happen is they might want to do it, they might want to listen to you, but then a notification on their phone comes, and because of that notification, their complete interest goes away. Their attention goes somewhere else, and then they start doing that, and their focus from your session will go. So this is what I say to people at the beginning of the session, ki bhai sahab, please start focusing on the session and keep all your distractions away. If you would have noticed, I said that in my Josh talk also, I say that in most of my sessions also, because what I have realized is that it is very important that people need to be connected with your opportunity and people need to be connected with the thing that you are providing to them. So that's very important, because initially when we were not doing it, we were losing the engagement of people. We were not having them till the end of our session. Gradually, we were able to change that. And that's why it's the key. And this is the reason why you need to do it. So I'm giving you all the key takeaways on what you need to do whenever you're trying to do an online session. So the engagement is the must, the activity is the must. Tell them right at the beginning as to what they are going to get from that particular session. And once they are aware as to what they're going to get from that particular session and opportunity, then they are going to make the most out of it. And that's very important. Got that? ये मैं आपको बार-बार बोल चुका हूँ. So again, I would like to repeat. Tell people at the beginning of the session how they are going to be benefited by that particular session. Got it? That's number one. The second thing that you got to do is tell them to keep all their distractions away. Because when you will tell them कि आपको सारे distractions अलग रखने हैं, they would be more involved in your session and they would want to be in your session. Next, ask them a lot of questions and make them involved in some activities, because when they would be engaged in some activities, the engagement level would go up. Once the engagement level has gone up, then you would realize that more people are now engrossed in your session. Got that? That's essential. One more amazing thing that you got to do during your sessions is this: give and take back. Ladies and gentlemen, give and take back. Now, what does this mean? What I do during all my sessions is I give you some motivation. I give you some energy. I provide you with some humor also. I provide you with some energy also. But at the same time, one thing which I always ensure is I always take you back to the agenda of the session. Because what a lot of people do is they get so very involved in their talk and their session that they actually forget what is the agenda of the talk. What is it that they are actually going to get from the talk? So that is what is important. You give them some motivation, you give them some energy, you provide them with some content, and you get them back to the session. And then you get their attention back to the session. Because if you're not doing it, you will never be able to create that steady impact that you want for people. Do you get that? Do you understand that? So give and take. It happens with me a lot. So many people say that it happens with them. Does that happen with you also, people? Let me know. That agenda kuch aur hota hai, दूसरी जगह ले जा लेते हो, then the audience gets stuck over there, and then you're not able to get them back to the main agenda. It happens, right? And the reason why that happens is because we don't know that we have gone so far from the topic that people have now lost their interest in the topic. And that's why it is extremely important that we should do it. Got it? If me too overindulge, yes, if you get overindulged and if you get into that zone of super duper motivation, that you forget that the end agenda is to push them to become opportunities and get results for themselves. Very important. Got it? So आपको हमेशा लोगों को कुछ चीज देनी है, and then you get them back to that particular session, and then you get them back to that particular opportunity. Very important. Somebody says over deliver करने का मन करता है, but कहीं और चले जाते हैं. Yes, ये बहुत important है. तो आपको क्या करना है? If you have given them some motivation, if you have given them some stories or anything, the thing is that people will get stuck in that particular moment. People will get stuck in that particular moment. What you need to do is you need to get people away from that particular moment, and you need them to be involved in your particular session. And how is that going to happen? That's only going to happen when you give them and then you take them back to the same agenda. You get them back to the same agenda. You get it done, and you would realize that this is so important and this is essential for you. Is that now clear with everybody? आपने अगर लोगों को मोटिवेट भी करा है, आपने अगर लोगों को खुश भी करा है, please ensure that you get the attention back. Please ensure that you have got them back to the same topic. And this also happens whenever you are delivering a talk or a session. It's essential that you get people back to the same agenda, because if they are not back to the same agenda, it will not work. It will not get them the desired results. Got it? Good. Next is the concept of trial closing. The concept of trial closing. अगर आपको कोई चीज बतानी है लोगों को, and if you want them to take a particular action, what you got to do for that is trial closing करो. Regularly लोगों को बोलते जाओ many commitments लेने के लिए. If you want them to become a good public speaker, ask them. So are you realizing that you are becoming a good public speaker? Are you improving yourself? Do you feel more confident? Do you feel that after attending this session, you would be able to implement these things? The answer would be yes, 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 yes. So you are getting people into the yes mode. And then when you get people into the yes mode, you would then realize that they will now get more results for them and they would be able to create more opportunities. Good, good, good. So many people say yes mode में लाना है, mini commitment लेकर आना है, Yoko से yes बुलवाना है. I used it in my sales and I was able to pull it off and I was able to generate more opportunities for me. Good. And why that happened is because you realized that this is so powerful and you got people to say yes. You got the mini commitments from them. And because you were able to get those mini commitments, so you were able to furthermore get attention from people and get even more chances from them. This is what I say to people all the time. Get people to say yes, get them connected, get them to be a part of the opportunity, get them to take that action and get results for you. Got it? Next. If you have to include testimonials, which are a must, by the way, you should testimonials, but if testimonials have to be included, the testimonials have to be given at the end. जब आप अपना पूरा value दे चुके हो, once you have given people the complete value, even if you are trying to sell them something, even if you are trying to make them become a part of any opportunity of yours, please ensure that the testimonials should be at the end only. अगर testimonials बाद में नहीं होंगे, वो बार बार ऐसा लगेगा कि यार आप सिर्फ बेचने का प्रयास कर रहे हो. You are not here to give them value. You are not dedicated to give them any value. That needs to change. And therefore, it is very important that if there are any testimonials that have to be given, they need to be given at the end of the session. And the end of the session means after you have given people the knowledge, after you have told them about the pricing, then you tell them about the testimonials. Or what you can also do is after you have given them a lot of value and then you have told them about the deliverables of your program, then you can show them testimonials and then you can reveal the price. Both will work. Price reveal के बाद भी आप testimonials दिखा सकते हैं, or you can show 2-3 testimonials before the price reveal. That's important. That will give you more results. शुरू से मत लग जाओ testimonials दिखाना कि इस बंदे को ये फायदा हुआ है, इस बंदे को ये फायदा हुआ है, इस बंदे को ये फायदा हुआ है. What is going to happen in that case is people would realize that this person is not interested in teaching me anything at all. All that he or she is interested in selling. Got it? So it's very important that the testimonials have to be at the end. Have you noted down, everyone? Kindly type yes if you have noted it down. Good. Next is the comparison should be there. And how does that comparison happen? आपका personal story बताना बहुत important है. When you would tell your personal story, you would then realize that now people are comparing with you. Now people are able to make that comparison and now they realize that this person is just like me, or Rahul is just like me. I was just like Rahul. He improved himself and I'm doing the same thing for myself and I am growing and I'm able to create more chances. So the same thing would happen for you also. And that's the reason why comparisons are extremely, extremely essential. So very powerful. Got that? जब भी आप इस चीज को करोगे, आप ये चीज रियलाइज करोगे कि लोग आपके संग कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, लोग आपके संग अपॉर्चुनिटी को अवेल कर रहे हैं. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई गॉट 2 ब्यूटिफुल testimonials right now of people who are loving the session and I just love it. Thank you so much. So the comparisons are very important because जब लोग आपके संग compare करते हैं, जब लोग आपके संग relate करते हैं, तब वो अपने पास बहुत सारे चांसेस लेकर आते हैं एंड तब वो अपने लिए और बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज बना के ले जाते हैं. समझ में आया आपको? So get those collaborations done, get those comparisons done. Because of the comparison, you would be able to get more chances for you, and you would be able to get the audience on your side and push them to take any particular action. The next thing is share with them facts. जब आप फैक्ट शेयर करते हो अपनी टॉक में, अपने सेशन में, आप ये चीज रियलाइज करते हो कि नाउ पीपल आर इवन रिलेटिंग मोर. सो इवन पर्सनल स्टोरीज, कंपैरिजंस, टेस्टिमोनियल्स, telling them in the beginning what they are going to learn, keeping them engaged, keeping them involved, the concept of giving and taking back, and then providing to them a no-brainer offer is what is so very important. And therefore, you would be able to get ahead and create chances for you. Got that? आप जब इसको इतनी बार रेगुलरली करोगे, आपके पास अपने आप ही वो फ्लो आ जाएगा एंड रिजल्ट्स आपके पास आने लग जाएंगे खुद ब खुद. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एक चीज और है, इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेल समथिंग टू पीपल, then the most appropriate time to drop the buying link is after 50 minutes. Is after 50 minutes. Very important. अगर आपको कोई भी चीज आप लोगों को पिच करना चाहते हैं, if you want to sell something to people, then the most appropriate time to drop the buying link is after 50 minutes. Got it? Please note it down. If you don't have a testimonial, it does not matter. It does not matter. आपके पास टेस्टिमोनियल्स नहीं है तो आप नहीं लेकर आ सकते ना, तो आपके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. प्रोवाइड योर सर्विसेज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट टू पीपल. Provide your services free of cost to people so that you can get some testimonials from them. Got it? Results तो आप ला सकते हो ना उसकी वजह से. Do it. Good. Why after 50 minutes? Because उसके बाद लोगों का attention drop होने लग जाता है. लोगों का attention drop होने लग जाता है. Thank you so much, Jyoti. I'm so happy that you're learning from this session. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So drop the buying link after 50 minutes. Got it? Next is this. Give personalized attention to people. Give people personalized attention like I do. Do you remember whenever I do my webinars, whenever I do my sessions, what I do is I always tell people, I talk to them and address them their names. I address them with what they are doing. If they do something, I appreciate them. I give them some more content. I give them recognition. So that is what, this is exactly what people want. This is exactly what people want for themselves. वो वाला अटेंशन देना लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. वो उस तरीके से लोगों के संग कनेक्टेड होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. A lot of speakers, trainers, coaches don't do it. They never give personalized attention. They don't even care. They don't even bother. So you get to know कहाँ पे मुझे जाना चाहिए, कहाँ पे मुझे नहीं जाना चाहिए. And this is what people have written over here. So thank you so much, brother. I'm so happy. Many new things you have learned. We feel belongingness with you. Somebody says it has been more than 4 pages of notes now and it is going on 3 hours. 4 घंटे हो गए अभी तक हमको भाई. 4 hours हो गए. Write your comments, okay? I will just share it with you. Keep it with you. So personalized attention. एक चीज और बहुत important share करने वाला हूँ. भूलना मत, ध्यान से सुनो. This can be a really big game changer for all the people who have their online programs. Always drop the link to enroll and not the website. Drop the link and not the website. क्यों? क्योंकि जब आप वेबसाइट ड्रॉप करते हो, they will again go to the website and they will again start reading everything, going through everything. They are already convinced. They are already convinced to take that action. They are already convinced to grab that opportunity. So why will you send them to the website? Send them the direct link to buy. Send them the direct link to enroll, depending upon what product or what service you have. Have you noticed this? This is what I've done. This is what I do all the time. Yes or no? Right? What I do all the time is I share with you the link and not the website. And the reason why I do this is because I know that now a person is ready. Now a person is ready to become a part of it. Now, why should I send him to the website? So that he will get lost on my website. He's motivated, he's ready to take the action, and then you got to do it. And therefore, you would be able to get even more amazing results and opportunities going forward. And this is why I say to people all the time, please ensure. I never thought about that. Yes, I'm talking about the payment link. You need to drop the payment link rather than dropping the complete website so that then they can directly enroll. Then they can directly enroll. Do you get that? That's very important. और जब तक आपको ये चीज नहीं समझ में आएंगे आप नहीं करोगे. टेस्टिमोनियल्स आपको लोगों को बाद में दिखाना है जब आप पूरा प्रोडक्ट की अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सारी चीजें बता चुके हो, उसके बाद ही आपको अपना टेस्टिमोनियल ड्रॉप करना है. गॉट दैट? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. People, in the meanwhile, I will do a recap of this online session. Here is the link. ये मैंने आपके संग link drop करा है. This is my Instagram. Please go there. Please grow there. And I have written over there as to what are your top 2 takeaways from the first session of this 2 days mega workshop. Let's fill it up with comments, okay? Everybody, let's fill it up with comments. उसको भर देते हैं अपन comments ताकि जो लोग यहाँ पे नहीं हैं वो लोग भी आ सकें. We will also give them the opportunity to enroll. So please fill it up. In the meanwhile, I will tell you all the things जो अभी हमने आपको बताया. I want all of you to fill it up, man. भर दो उसको. All of you. मैंने डाल दिया है comment. Now I want all of you to learn from it. Now I want all of you to. Yes. No landing page. No landing pages. Direct link. ये रहा मेरा post. I have shared this post. No, you can see this post in front of you. This post is there. What are your 2 key learnings from the session? Just write your comments over there. कि 2 ऐसी कौन सी चीजें जो कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगी हैं इस सेशन में. Please write it over there. Everybody. Go on to my Instagram. I have written the link. I have shared the link. Please write your 2 key takeaways from their session. Right? From this particular session. Everybody write it. Write the comment over there. Everyone. Please do that. Wow. Somebody says I've written 25 pages and half of my book is completely filled with beautiful and priceless content. Tejal, write this as a comment there also. आप लोगों ने जितना वो करा है यहाँ पे भी जो आपने लिखा है वो भी सब आप comment section में लिख दीजिए. Sir, I'm asking about the payment page you were talking about. That is what I'm saying. Give them the direct link to buy. Don't send them to the website, okay? Give them the direct link to buy. Now, what all things need to be done जब online session करना है? Number 1, set the objective at the beginning. Tell them at the beginning itself as to how they are going to be benefited by this. Number 2, what is there for me? Tell people exactly what is there for me, how they are going to be benefited by this, how they are going to get the most out of it. What are they going to learn from this? Then ask them a lot of questions. Whenever you ask them a lot of questions, you would realize that people are more engaged in your session. They are more engrossed in your sessions. Next, get their attention. And how do you get the attention? You get the attention because you are telling people to keep their phone away, to keep Instagram away, to keep Facebook away, so that they can focus on the session. Make them do some activities, keep them involved in any particular activity so that you would be able to get them involved all the time, and keep asking them some questions. Tell them to say yes, tell them to do some activity. The next thing is give and take back. Give and take back. If you're trying to motivate people, if you're trying to push people, if you're trying to narrate a story, if you're trying to do something else at that particular point of time, what you got to do is give them that opportunity, give them that learning, give them that chance, and at the same time motivate them, inspire them, get them back to the session. Get them back to the session. Because when you would get them back to the session, you would then realize that this is so very impactful and this is so very powerful for each and every one of us. Got it? At the same time, believe in the concept of trial closing. On the concept of trial closing, get people into the yes mode. Get them involved in the yes mode. When you would get them involved in the yes mode, you would realize that now they are learning even more, and they would be more willing to take the action at the end when you are going to provide them an opportunity to buy, enroll, or to do any particular activity. For that, trial closing is important. Testimonials have to be only shared after you have told people about the opportunity that you are providing to them, or after you have revealed the pricing, not before that. Got it? Get a comparison done between you and others. And how do you do that? Through a personal story. आपकी personal story के through comparison अपने आप ही create होगा. People will become a part of it. Share with them certain facts and figures. Facts like COVID-19 has made us believe and realize that we should not be just dependent upon our college education. We should not be just dependent upon our one source of income. We should learn more and we should create more chances for us. This is what we have learned. So give them facts and figures. If you are trying to pitch something through your webinar, drop the buying link after 50 minutes. 50 मिनट्स तक वैल्यू दो, 50 मिनट्स के बाद बाइंग लिंक ड्रॉप कर दो. समझ में आया? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप जब 50 मिनट्स के बाद बाइंग लिंक ड्रॉप करोगे, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पीपल एनरोलिंग टू योर प्रोग्राम ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीजेस. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांट टू टीच एंड शेयर विद each and every one of you. Got it? Right. I can see some good comments, man. Thank you so much. Write down the comments over there, everybody. Give people personalized attention, because when you would give people personalized attention, they would be more involved in your session and they would absolutely love it. You got to do it, and that's important. And next thing is, drop the link to buy. Drop the link to buy rather than the complete website. Do you get that? That is very, very important. Somebody says, यार देखो नवदेश, जो आपकी पर्सनल स्टोरीज है वो तो आपकी खुद की स्टोरीज है ना, तो वो आपकी पर्सनल स्टोरी आपको शेयर करनी है लोगों से, बट यू नीड टू ओनली शेयर अ पर्सनल स्टोरी दैट कैन बी रिलेटेड विद पीपल, दैट यू वुड बी एबल टू रिलेट विद पीपल. दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. Somebody told me पर्सनल अटेंशन, भावेश यू आर ऑसम. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पर्सनल अटेंशन, क्योंकि मैं आपका नाम लेके आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. समझ में आया आपको? This is the thing. Thank you so much. Sagar, I hope you have written this in the comment section. Thank you so much.